Hello, Kangi. Good evening. Oh no. Good evening, Kangi. Can you hear me? Yes. Can you hear me? Can you hear me?
Hi yo.
Can you hear me?
Yes, hi yo.
How are you today? How are you?
What?
How are you
What?
today?
I
How,
don't hear.
how are you?
I'm fine.
Did you eat your dinner?
No.
Why, why,
Mẹ
why,
ơi
why,
lát quá.
why? Why?
Tập.
Do you like singing? Do you like singing?
No.
Dancing?
No.
Okay. Did you go to school?
Yes.
What did you learn?
I learn very thing.
Veliting? Okay, so let's start our class. Do you want to listen again? Do you want to listen again? Kangkang?
No.
Kangkang? Kangkang, do you want to listen again to teacher? Kangkang?
No.
Okay, I will tell your mom that you are not listening. Do you want to? Okay. So, I think we are in lesson 3. I don't know. No, we don't. We don't. Okay.
Anh có bên này này. Nếu một người gửi cho anh mượn chuyện.
Okay. So again, we are continue our lesson about past and future. But first,
Sao anh mở
we
đấy mà.
have a warm up.
Ôi,
Second
môn thể
is
thao trần
your
cái gì mà
reading and
phải đọc cái
writing.
trình riêng.
And next is
Đang đọc
grammar
thì phải
and
chuyện rồi.
listening
Không
and
ai nữa.
speaking. But first,
Đọc
Kang Kang,
tôi là phải các câu ai.
Kang Kang,
Không đâu, chứ con Phan. Đá của Doraemon ấy. Aura Family cho nè nhưng mà vẫn chuyện nè. Aura Family.
are you finished, Kang, talking?
Cái này là Aura à? Như cái này đẹp mà. Tôi cho mượn đẹp. Phần đấy thế đẹp. À, ăn luôn được. Tùy. Đi được không? Hôm nay quên ăn rồi. Bắt đầu đi. Con hãy cặp cá đấy.
Okay, are you now finished talking with your brother? Kang?
Cá.
Are you now finished talking with your brother?
No.
Are you sure? I will tell your mom. Just wait. Hmm. Okay, so
Aura 30 nè. Aura 30
our
nè.
learning tonight is we are going to
Robot. Robot hay robot? Anh hồ. Kiểu Nobita sao? Mưa. Kéo. Cô nói nhỉ? Đâu chứ. Lấy anh không phân bỏ.
okay, so let's start our lesson for tonight. But first, we have to watch the video again. Okay. So today we are going to next to the reading and writing. So number one is you have to read the conversation and write the words. Okay? Kang, today is Friday. We are having our first science lesson. So it's about space and the planet. Okay, teacher, what will we live in the future? We don't know. Have a guess. I hope we all fly in spaceship and visit other planets. Number two. What is your answer number two?
I don't know. Fly. Fly.
Okay. Okay, good job. We might fly around them in our rockets. Number three. Number three, what is your answer?
C. C.
Okay, perhaps we'll see on another. We'll live on another planet one day. Next, Katie. How about Katie? We might blank some aliens there.
C. C.
Okay, good job. We might see some aliens there. Next, George.
Learn.
Okay, yes, and we might learn their language. Good job. And Katie? How about Katie? Or someone might blank a car with no wheels or tires.
Bài.
Okay, invent. It's invent. Okay, good job. Next. Okay. Kang, you have to listen carefully to the teacher talking about the planet. So you have to write down the information about Saturn and Mercury. Okay, you have to listen carefully to the audio and write it, Kang. Okay? Okay, so let's learn the grammar simple future. Okay. So simple future tense is the subject. In positive sentences, you have to in your sentence, you have to put your subject will go to the Thailand. Okay. So will or shall plus verb. Okay. And then in negative sentence, you can put I will not go to the Thailand. And for this question sentence, will you go to the Thailand? Okay, so tomorrow, next day, next year, next week, I will go to the church tomorrow. We will meet him in 2 hours. I will go to the church next week, next year. Depends on you. How to use. I miss my grandmother so much. I will drop by your house after working tomorrow. I think she won't come and join our party. Will you go out for dinner with me? If she learns hard, she will pass the exam. Okay, so we are going to grammar quiz. Okay, what is your answer? He will arrive on time. Letter A, letter B, or letter C, or letter D?
D.
Incorrect.
Ay.
Mhm. Wrong.
D. D.
Wrong. Okay, letter B. Very good. Next.
D.
Wrong.
D.
Okay, won't or will not. We won't get there until after dark, or we will not. Sorry, we won't get there until after dark. Okay, will he be a doctor in the future?
B.
Okay, good job. No, he won't. Next, we will blank what your father says.
D.
Okay, very good. We will say what your father says. Next, will you see tomorrow?
D.
Okay, yes, I will. Okay, next. We blank not know until we get there.
No, no, no. C,
Wrong.
B,
Wrong. We won't know.
C, C,
Okay, good job. We won't know until we get there. Next.
D. No, no, no. D.
Very good. Okay, I will phone you tonight. Next. Okay, what is your answer?
I don't know.
You can choose any A, B, C, or D. Okay, letter A will move. Okay, so listening and speaking. Okay, the children are talking about what they'll do in the future. Okay, you have to listen carefully and draw the lines. Okay, we'll go to lesson 4. You're not answering.
Wow.
Okay,
Cô
again,
mất
there,
mạng.
there is listening again to the
Mà cô
audio.
không nghe được.
You have to draw the line and listen carefully to the audio, and then what are they doing? What are
Các
Michael,
bạn
Sophia,
nghe có
Lily,
thấy
Richard, Oliver, Frank, and Betty doing? So you have to write it. For example, Michael is drawing. Okay. So you have to listen again, and then you can draw that one who's doing that things. Okay, you have to listen carefully and then write. You can write it and you can draw. Okay, we're going to play the audio now.
Vâng.
Okay, can you please read the stories? Okay, you can now read. Okay, you can now just reading only because you can't listening it well. Okay, can you please read, Kang?
Nói với cô.
Cô là người nước ngoài.
Cô thôi cô hiểu mà.
Sao cô hiểu được? Ừ. Cô rồi. My
Okay,
first day
can you
at school. Hello, my name is George. Last Monday, I looked at my calendar. It was the 8th September, and that was the day I started my new school. I got up and put on my new uniform. I felt fresh. I put a special toy dinosaur in my rocket because it's my lucky toys. Mom gave me some cereal for breakfast, but I couldn't eat it because I was excited, but also a bit worried. When I said goodbye to my mom, she gave me some pie of chocolate for later. Then I started to walk to school. I was a long way when I arrived at my new school. I stopped for a minute. Then I decided I had a to-be break, so I walked out the school gate. I was very early. It was only 8:30, but Harry was already in the breakout and He was waiting for me. When I saw him, I felt a lot better.
Okay, good job. Next. Because you are not listening to the audio, and then you can now read your reading.
We went into the classroom together. We sat down at they were at the front of the classroom. Next, the teacher came in. He was very friendly and taught us how to do well at our new school. Then they took us on a tour of the school. It's a very large school. After that, we had lessons and at Parmenides. I was about to eat as lunch. We have pizza with olive on it, my favorite. Then after lunch, we eat into the playground again. All the boys in the playground had a football and they were kicking Sid and Harry and I put our trainer on, then went over to them and asked if we could play too soon. All the brothers joined the game and we had two football teams. With my lucky dinosaur still in my pocket, I scored 2 goals and suddenly I was very popular with all the boys on my team. I was really happy about that. When I went back to class in the afternoon, I already had a lot of new friends. Soon the first week of school will be over. I think I will like it here.
Okay, good job.
1, 2, 2 nhé.
Okay, so what is your answer, Kang? Number 1. On his first day at school, George felt excited, but what?
Oh, I know it.
But a bit worried too. Number 2. George is what?
George had to walk
a long way to get his new school. Was waiting at the font, a tour of pizza. Scored 2 goals. Okay, so readings quiz start. What was the date George started his new school, Kang? A, 8 November, 8 September, or 9 August?
Chuyện đó. Chuyện đó. Số.
Hmm? What is your answer?
8 September.
Okay. Very good. Next. What toy was in George's pocket? Hmm? What toy was in George's pocket? A, dinosaur, B, ball, or C, card?
Dinosaur. Dinosaur.
Okay, good job. Next. What was George's teacher like? What was
Be
George?
friendly.
Okay, very good. Next, what food did they eat for lunch?
Pizza.
Okay, that's right. Good job. Next, what sports did the children play?
Ball.
Okay, very good. Football. Good job. Okay. Next, we are go to our next topic. Mhm. Well, oh, this is the end of our lesson. We are going to our next topic. Get ready for movers. Okay, so we are going to learn about the part at the part. Mhm. No, no, it's not for him. Sorry. Wait, this is not for you. So you are complete pet or complete pet? Okay, you are cat. Unit 1. Unit 1. It is lesson 2. Okay, so okay. Let's wait a minute. Fine. Okay. So today we're going to learn hi, how are you? So lesson 2 is the first is vocabulary. Okay, the content for our lesson for today is warm up, practice, and I don't know. Okay, first is your warm up. Yeah. Okay, open the slides, random number. Okay, number 2 is practice. Look at the photos, talk about Adrian and Marcia using words from the box, then listen and check. Okay. Okay. So, look at the photos. Talk about Adrian and Marcia. Using words from the box, then listen and check. Okay? How about Adrian? He is what? What is this? Tang. What is this flag? You can choose here on the
Poland.
box. Yes,
Poland.
very good. He is from Poland. And then, what are his
Football.
hobbies?
Football.
Okay, very good. He is playing football. How old he is?
13.
Yes, he is 13 years old. Next. Who is she?
Russia.
Yes, good job. She is Marcia. She is from,
France.
yes,
France.
very good. He is from France. Okay, what are her hobbies? Playing what?
14.
No.
Tennis.
Her hobby, yeah, she is playing tennis. How about how old is she?
14.
Okay, very good. She is 14 years old. Okay, I will going to ask you and answer questions with do and are. Okay. Are you a student? Kang, are you a student? Hmm?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes.
I do. You have to say, yes, I do.
Yes, I am.
Okay, very good. Yes, I
Yes,
am. Or
I
yes,
am.
yes, or I do. Okay, are you from? Where are you from?
I'm from Vietnam.
Very good.
I'm
Are
from
you 12 years
Vietnam.
old?
I am 11 years old.
Okay, very good. Good job. Okay, so that's all for tonight. Kang, thank you. Goodbye.